Hello to everyone. Today I have a guest, Mr. Amr. Please, Mr. Amr, introduce yourself.
Hello, yes, I'm Amr El Halawany, legal advisor and lawyer who listed in the German embassy and Swiss embassy and many embassies, many other embassies. Okay, and I have two diplomas in the law.
Today we are here to discuss some legal questions regarding the buying a real estate in Hurghada by the foreigners.
Yeah.
And the basic question is, in general, can a foreigner fully own a property in Egypt?
Yes. Okay. The foreigner can own apartments or land in Egypt here and registered by their name in the real estate registration office. But it depends on our them investigation. It means if them investigation, police investigation, it's okay to own something by green contract. Okay, they will continue to finish it by their name. If not, they can buy like many people can own by primary contract. Okay, because the same affected, which the green contract make it for the buyer. Also the primary contract, but just the difference between primary contract and the green contract. The green contract transport the owner ship, okay, to the foreigner or the Egyptian people, okay, to buy to be by them name in the real estate registration office. Okay, and we will talk about the difference between the green contract and the primary contract. Also, the green contract. What?
Let's clarify what is the green contract.
Okay.
Not everyone knows.
Okay, the green contract. As a first, the foreigner cannot own land more than 4,000 square meter. Okay. About the apartments, cannot own by the green contract more than 2 apartments. Also, it has to be less than 4,000 square meter. This is number one. The green contract just only will help the foreigner for resident visa. It means if he want to get resident visa, normal resident visa, not tourist resident visa, okay, he has to own land, as I told you, the distance as I told you, or 2 units by green contract, and the price has to be for if you want 1 year for resident visa, not for tourist foreign visa, okay, resident visa. You have the price has to be more than $50,000. 3 years, it has to be more than $100,000. Okay, if you want 5 years, it has to be more than $200,000. Okay, but depend also on the investigation for this foreigner, if he can own or not. Okay, and also there is something, if you want to buy or own land, it has to be maximum 4,000 square meter, and also you have to build, okay, on to make your constructions on this land during 5 years. Okay. Also the green contract, if you own by green contract and you want to sell it for foreigner or Egyptian, okay, the next day, the foreigner or Egyptian cannot own by green contract before 5 years.
Right.
Okay, so your green contract as a foreigner will hold the buyer from you, whatever Egyptian or foreigner, okay, 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, but the primary contract, you can own 100, okay, but you cannot register in the real estate registration office more than 2 or maximum 4,000 square meter. There is some foreigners, okay, moved to make signature validity in the court. Okay. The difference between signature validity in the court and the green contract, as I told you before, the green contract will take long time, depend on the investigation, accept or not. Number one, cost a lot of money, okay, more than the signature validity in the court, and hold you the buyer from you 5 years of signature validity. Okay, you can make signature validity for more than 2 apartments. Also, signature validity faster than the green contract, and will not hold the buyer from you 5 years. The buyer can make a green contract or signature validity the next day. The signature validity in the court just help the foreigner to, number one, if you want to deal with any legal, any department in the government here, okay, like traffic section, passport section, because signature validity in the court make official, okay, as a official covering for this contract. So it will be trusted for the government. If I want to go to the traffic section to make a car license, okay, they will ask you about something like this. If I want to telephone company to get line,
yes.
Okay, they will ask you about something like this. Okay, so it will help you trust anything in Egypt, okay, or if you want to buy property or land, whatever, okay. At the first, you have to look at this document. Number one, the ownership document, okay, if there is green contract or not. If there is no green contract, okay, you have to see from the Hurghada council or whatever, okay, the mean contract, ownership contract, and after that, who the owner after the Hurghada council, and if there is any buyers, there is contracts, and there is power of attorney, okay, represented the seller before like this, okay, to get presentation by the power of attorney, sales power of attorney, okay, from the last one represented till the old one, or okay, the first one. Good people, there is good people, and there is bad people. And I saw a lot of people sell the apartment many times, okay, by power of attorney. It means I'll make power of attorney by your name, okay, as you can own this apartment or whatever, and then I move to the other one to make power of attorney, and from this one to this one, like this. Okay, and in the end you discover there is some people come from outside, foreigner people. This is my apartment. No, this is my apartment. Okay, so here the problem will start, and there is a police report will be about the position and the prosecution. When when they will the prosecutor, when he will continue with this report, he will make visiting to see who have the position, who inside, who inside, who will continue in the position, okay, and this and after that will make the order as to continue with the man or the woman or whatever who inside, okay, till you finish the problem front of the court. When the court will decide who will move inside, okay, at this time the order, the prosecution's order will cancel, okay, and who get final judgment from the court, who will continue or who will move inside. And there is something I want to tell you, so important. Always we say not the owner by green contract, okay, have the position, and who has the position, not the owner, the main owner. It means you have a green contract, okay, but you cannot move in your apartment. There is another one have the position. Okay, the prosecution or the prosecutor will continue with him by the position, okay, till you will allegate or complain in front of the court. At this time, the court will give you as an owner by a green contract,
Yes.
or your document so strong, okay, and make legal action. So you was faster him, or you were before him, okay, in the ownership. So the court will give you the judgment, in the final judgment, to return your apartment back, okay. And also, as I told you, okay, I'm not the owner and I haven't any document in between my hands. And I want to get the position in this apartment. I'll break the door and stay inside. No one see me, and then till someone will appear to say this is my apartment and introduce his document to the court. So I want to inform anyone has document or have a problem in the position. Okay, if you are outside, don't move to the prosecution, because the prosecution will be with who inside, okay, to continue with his position. So, if you can return back your position and allegate or complain or introduce or make report in front of the prosecution, so at this time the prosecution will make the visit and find you inside, so it will continue with you. Okay, don't make any position report, police position report, okay, especially when you are outside from the property.
It's a lot of people who buy it like investment, for example, of planned project.
Yeah, look, so if you want to buy something like this, you have to look for about who can trust it. Okay, so I move to, for example, if I move to El Bona or Sal Hashish or Long Beach or many projects here owned by good companies, okay, and trust companies, okay, so you have to move to this companies has a history before.
Yes, who is long time on the market.
Okay, yes, this company make many projects and there is history, good history, and there is people, clients buy from them, Egyptian or foreigner, and they are leaving and there is no problem, nothing. So I can trust this company or this developer. I can move to buy, okay. If there is no, if you will buy or your apartment off plan, okay.
But if it's happened that the developer is delaying the delivery or at all he didn't deliver the project, if there is anything that can protect the buyer in the law of Egypt?
Look, in the contract you have to agree, okay, with the developer, especially if your apartment not complete or there is or off plan, okay. There is articles in the contract. There is penalty has to be if you delete or cancel your agreement with me, or delete the handover of this apartment on the time. At the time. Okay, so you have to pay penalty, blah blah blah, like this. Okay, so he.
In case the owner pass away, what will happen with the
okay, if the owner, the foreigner owner did, okay, there is inheritors, okay, behind him.
What is the procedure?
They will make inheritance certificate in them country and translated by Arabic and stamp it from Egyptian embassy there or whatever there. And when they will bring it here, they will move to the Ministry of Exterior to stamp it, okay, and bring it to me. So I will change the contract by the name, or if the company or developer will not change the contract by the name, okay, we'll keep the name of the old owner, okay, them inherited, okay, and we'll give them the ownership of this apartment, because I'm telling the foreigner, you own the apartment or the land, okay, by primary contract or green contract, whatever. So if you will die, your inheritors, okay, will bring inheritance certificate and introduce. If the developer hold you or stop you, you will go to the court and they will give you the order, okay, or give you the judgment to move in, okay, because you are here in Egypt, there is justice, okay, and the court will help anybody, whatever, foreigner, Egyptian, because he has the right to do that, okay, so he will move to the court and get judgment to move in his apartment and get it back, okay, by them order or the judgment, okay, by a strong way, as the legal action will be, okay, there is no one can stop you.
So in the end, in general, we can say that foreign buyers, they have similar rights like Egyptian
Yes, same
buyers.
right. Look, front of the Egyptian justice or any justice on the world, around the world, okay, all the people same front of the judge, front of the justice, okay. It means the foreigner here, because he has the right, okay, whatever, as a tourist or un-tourist, whatever, he has the right and can complain or allegate anybody, whatever Egyptian or foreigner like him, front of the court to get it back. Okay, and there is international law control of this. Okay, this international law will give the right for the Egyptian court or his court, okay, to continue in this case. Okay, so this is normal.
Okay, great. Okay, Mr. Amr, thank you so much for
You're
your
welcome.
detailed explanation for our viewers. Do you mind if I will leave your contacts under this video if any of you viewers they have any questions or would like?
Yeah. Anytime. If there is
your
anyone
service.
want any question or want to get any information about the real estate or whatever, okay, as a lawyer, I'm helping. He's helping. Okay.
Right.
Don't hesitate to ask me anything, anytime.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So contacts of Mr. Amr will be under this video.
Okay.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome.